Hello, IB English students. Welcome to the video for quarter 2, week 6, day 2. This video is designed for those students who are absent from our live Zoom class. Excuse me. As a review, everything you say, do, or type is recorded, so please keep it school appropriate. And as always, there's no saving, downloading, or taking pictures of our class today or ever. If you look at the agenda, I'm going to go over next week's attendance sheet with you, resubmitting your IA outlines information, make up IA testing for those of you who missed your testing. Time was dedicated during class for people to work on the mini lesson from day 1 of this week if they didn't do that already. And then there was an opportunity for general help with your IA or your higher level essay questions, as well as time to work independently on those things. So next week, I know this says week 5 at the top, but just ignore that. Next week, the module will look exactly like this, right? There's the testing schedule that I'll move up to the top of this item. When you go to these, you're going to click on the one that is appropriate for your class. It'll give you instructions on what you need to do, and then give you also the link to sign during the live during the live Zoom class time, where you have to put in your attendance. Please make sure you follow those directions. You must follow the directions and fill out the form to be marked as present. All right, some people did not earn full points on their IA outlines because things were missing or things were not formatted correctly, etc. So as a review, you can resubmit those IA outlines. It should be one Google document with the outline, the literary excerpt, and a non-literary excerpt. 3 pages in length, right? 1 page for each item, all in one document. If you need to see a sample of what that looks like, go to the mock IA using stamped video under quarter 2, week 4, day 1, and there's a hyperlink to an example. You should make yours look exactly like that one. For those of you who are going to resubmit, right, the maximum grade you can get for resubmitting is an 89%. For those of you who need to make up your IA testing, you have 2 choices. First, those people who are officially testing have already basically discussed with me when their time will be. This is for the people who are not officially testing or are not registered to take the exam at the end of the year. Your first choice is to email me or send a message via chat during the class to schedule a time on Tuesday of next week to make up your IA. If you do that, the maximum grade you can earn on the assignment is 100%. The second choice is to do nothing, to not do the IA at all. The maximum grade you will get there is a 50%. Again, this is only an option for students who are not registered to take the exam at the end of the year. If you are registered, you have to have a makeup time scheduled. Most of you already have that scheduled on Monday, but some of you may need to schedule that time on Tuesday. If that is true for you, please email me. Submitting your higher level essay, a quick review. Remember to use the IB candidate number, the one that starts with the letters, instead of your name, right? And that's only for the testing students. Students who are not officially testing at the end of the year can just put their name. It should be between 1,200 and 1,500 words. It cannot be the same text that you used on your IA. And the order of the items in your essay should be your essay with the word count at the end, the works cited page, and then the essay outline that you did before. There's a video tutorial on how to do your works cited page on Canvas. Oh, excuse me, hold on, sorry. That's available under day 1 of this week on Canvas. Again, it's all properly set up for you if you use the document that I already created, and if you compose within this document, it's much easier for me to answer any of your questions that you may have while you're working, right? Type your essay here, put in the word count. There's a line to divide it. Copy and paste your works cited page that you generate through Noodle tools. Again, there's a video tutorial on how to use that. And then copy and paste your essay outline. For those of you who didn't do it already this week, there is the quote integration mini lesson from under day 1 of this week. You need to go through that lesson, taking notes and follow the directions. There is a video that you watch and basically a capture sheet that you fill in as you watch the video. Looking at next week very quickly, right? Again, you'll be prompted to read and follow directions given on that assignment that's posted on Canvas for our class. If you are testing, please make sure that you show up on time using the testing Zoom, preferably a couple minutes early. If you have any questions while we're testing on Monday or Tuesday next week, please email me at the .net email address. That's the one that I can easily check in between testing sessions. Testing is only on Monday and Tuesday, and office hours during those days are during lunch because I'm testing during the normal office hours. To access office hours, you would still just use the student support link, and I'll be available for that hour during lunch on Monday and Tuesday. Ooh, hold on a sec. I think I skipped one. No, okay. All right. And at this point during class, people let me know if they wanted to work in breakout rooms to practice or if they needed to schedule a makeup IA. Again, if that applies to you and you're going with that option, please send me an email to the .net email address. As a quick reminder, right, the higher level essay is due before midnight on Wednesday, December 23rd. If you have questions, use this email address during the testing days. And again, my office hours next week on Monday and Tuesday are, you use the student support link. Excuse me a second. Sorry about that. You use the student support link to access those office hours during lunch on Monday and Tuesday next week if you need me. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good weekend.